welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a natural everyday makeup look, something quick and easy for you guys to do on the go. This look literally took me about 5 to 7 minutes to do, something very simple and neutral. So this is my on the go makeup. And like, share, and subscribe to this video down below, and give me some of your suggestions or any kind of ideas that you guys want me to do for this video, and just comment down below. And hopefully this video gets up to like 4,000 or 5,000 likes, hopefully. So stay tuned. Hi guys, so today I'm starting off with a fresh face. I already added the primer from Fenty Beauty, but the next thing I'm going to add to my face is a color corrector. I'm only going to use the mint green on the top left and the orange salmon color in the middle. The mint is more for blemishes and pimples, and the orange is more for like black areas or darker areas. As you guys can see, I have dark lids and dark under eyes, so that's only where I'm going to apply the orange and the mint. So now I'm adding the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in the color 380. This is the best one that actually matches my skin color. When I went into Sephora, they actually did like 360 and 390 and they were way off. This color really matched me the best. I'm also using a contour brush. It's not really meant for foundation, but it works best for me. That's why I'm using it. I'm actually applying it all over my face and my neck because the color corrector is really pigmented. I feel like it's more pigmented than the green, because as you can see, I had to put a lot more under my eyes and my eyelids due to my dark circles. So actually I put more foundation in that area. I was really targeting that area specifically. But yeah, as you can see, I placed it all over my face, and I focused more on my eyes and more on my lips and my forehead. Visible, but it's the blotting powder. It's like a translucent powder. There's no color added to it. It's literally just white. It kind of focuses on the foundation, and it just takes away the shine and all of that. So that's what I'm adding to my face. Now I'm adding the Radiant Cover. I got this from my local beauty supply store. I believe it's in the color beige. Honestly, this video was the last time I used that foundation because it was completely done. So I had to take the rest of whatever I had and add on my face. But I got that from my local beauty supply store. But right now I'm actually using a concealer LA Color or LA Girl from my local beauty supply store. Now I'm using the Morphe palette. I got this from this Atlanta hair show in Atlanta about a year ago. I'm actually using the last color in the palette, the darkest one they have. So I'm actually going to apply it to my cheekbones, my forehead, my chin, and the bridge of my nose on both sides. Later on in the video you'll see what I'm going to do, but I'm adding it to places to make it contour more and pop more. So that's what I'm doing right now. So now I'm actually blending it out with the Beauty Blender, but I decided to use a sponge that I got from my local Dollar Tree. I think it actually works better. I kind of wet it a little bit, and I just damp out the lines. I don't want that harsh line, so I just, blend it out a little bit better. And that's what I'm doing in this clip right now. And as you can see, I'm using the Radiant Cover Concealer, and I'm adding it in the middle of my nose to break the two lines I added earlier. As you guys can see, I have a long bridge, so I'm actually focusing on making it slimmer. So that's what I'm doing right now in this clip. Now I'm going to start on my eyebrows. So basically with my eyebrows, it takes me the longest to do because I want that part to be perfect out of everything else in my face. So I'm using a two-sided pencil. One side is the pencil, the other side is a brush. And right here I'm just brushing it out. I actually like my eyebrows to be really short in the beginning. I don't really add pencil to that part. and I like the rest of it to be long. So I'm only doing this for this video, but I usually do it off camera. I believe this color is medium chocolate or chocolate. Only adding it underneath my brow bone. I feel like when girls, it depends, each his own, but I feel like when girls add on top, it makes it look more fake, and I like more of the natural look. That's why I'm only doing it underneath. So now I'm adding the She by Luxe Pro Powder in banana color. I actually had the Ben Nye back in the day. I actually lost it on vacation and I never rebought it. So I just bought the alternative from my beauty supply store. It works perfectly fine. And I'm only adding it underneath my eyes, and my chin and my forehead, just to cover up the shine spots, and that's what I'm doing right now. Now I'm going to use a Subculture by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm using the color Roxy. It's more like a peachy, burnt orange color, more on the peachy side. I'm adding that to my lids and blending it out. Now I'm going to add the Dawn color. It's more like a beige color, and I'm adding that right on top of the Roxy color. I'm using the eyeshadow pencil that they gave me with the actual palette, and two sides has like a soft side and a hard side. Next, I'm adding a CVS brand, I think it was by Maybelline, like $5 or $6. I'm actually using the Brow Bone metallic color. It's more like a white color. I'm adding that to my highlight area underneath my brow bone, and I'm actually eyeliner, but I don't put on the top lid. I've always put on the bottom. This is like in black charcoal color, like extremely black. I got this from CVS, and I believe it's by L'Oreal or Maybelline, and I'm just adding that to my under eyes. Now I'm actually adding my L'Oreal mascara from CVS. I think that's one of my favorite drugstores, CVS. But this is Black is Black. It has a gold top on it, and it's really bold. So now I'm actually adding some lip gloss. I forgot the color, but it's like a shimmery light color. It's like a neutral color, and that's what I'm adding to my lips right now. So guys, this is the finished look. It took me max 6 minutes, if anything. It's something very simple, easy to do. If you're on a run, grocery store shopping, anything like that, it's easy and quick and easy. So yeah, I'm gonna try my best to link every item I use my face in the comment section below. If you guys want some more videos from me, let me know. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe to my channel, Camille Monique, and love you guys. Bye.